Do sudden loud noises make you angry? I'm Addison, and here is your private affirmation session to strengthen your discipline to overreacting to noise. These classic quotes are 18 affirmations to remind you to be patient, observe your impulses before you react, and handle the anxiety of loud sudden noises. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. You have to rake risks. We will only understand the miracle of life fully when we allow the unexpected to happen. Paulo Coelho. 17. Insanity runs in my family. It practically gallops. Cary Grant. 16. Love thy neighbor as yourself, but choose your neighborhood. Louise Beale. Never forget the 3 powerful resources you always have available to you: love, prayer, and forgiveness. Jack and Brown Jr. Next time I will, from now on I will. What makes me think I am wiser today than I will be tomorrow? Hugh Prather. Music exalts each joy, allays each grief, expels disease, softens every pain, subdues the rage of poison and the plague. John Armstrong. Sometimes I am so dry that people don't know I'm kidding and think I'm being serious. I enjoy this because their reactions are often funny. Robert Crace. All we actually have is our body and its muscles that allow us to be under our own power. Allegra Kent. Love is my sword, goodness my armor, and humor my shield. Anon. A physicist is an atom's way of knowing about atoms. George Wald. A minute's success pays the failure of years. Robert Browning. When you're a mom and you have 3 children, nothing bothers you. Trust me. Who cares what people say? I've got other things to deal with. Faith Hill. Love rules without rules. Italian proverb. Ritual is the way you carry the presence of the sacred. Ritual is the spark that must not go out. Christina Baldwin. The people who make art their business are mostly imposters. Pablo Picasso. There is an applause superior to that of the multitudes one's own. Elizabeth Elton Smith. The fullness of life is in the hazards of life. Edith Hamilton. The fearless are merely fearless. People who act in spite of their fear are truly brave. James LaForne Lewis. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.